like so much better. So I actually ran out of wrap. That is the only reason that these aren't wrapped all the way across. I will end up wrapping them at another time, but I'm pretty happy with it came out. These are all fingerprints. There is air bubbles because I mean, I'm not a professional. I don't know what I'm doing. It happens, it's hard, but I mean, there's not, it came out 10 times better than I thought it was going to. And I forgot all my tools. So 1, we couldn't take this off. 2, I didn't have any of my eTorx bits to get the actual antenna from the inside of here out. So we had to like seam it, and then we kind of messed it up as well. You can see, I actually don't mind it too much. I mean, this has like a kind of flap. I don't know if you could even see. There's not gonna be a way for you guys to see it, but there's a flap here. I'll probably try to trim it down with an X-Acto knife, but if not, it's not the end of the world. But I do want those wrapped because it does look a little goofy without it, but I still like the black way better. Quad tips. Yeah, that came out a lot better than I was expecting, and it makes the car just look meaner. I highly recommend doing this, whether you have a shop do it or if you feel confident enough to do it yourself. I 110% recommend doing it. I'll have a link in the description for the wrap I used, and then I don't remember what size bolts those eTorx were. I was gonna bring my whole set over, and I mean, I could try and find what they were again, and then I'll try and leave a link in the description for it. But honestly, you're better off just buying a full kit, the whole set. I don't think it's an eTorx, it might be just a regular Torx, but still, you're better off having a full set of Torx and eTorx if you own this car. Like, there's no way around it. There's so many bolts on this car that are Torx or eTorx. You have to. There's no choice. Goofy. Into shit.
What's going on? It's bracers, you know what I'm saying?
Bracers.
We out here. Trying to get a honey.
So I just got these for the rear bumper. That's from like Mashi Maro or something. I'll have a link for it in the description. I mean, it's pretty straightforward to install. I'm adding this just to kind of help if there's any gaps. But I mean, just got the 2 holes, drill it right in. I don't know if it matches up with the holes I have already, but we'll find out. Car's pretty dirty. Let's see where I wiped it off to put it on. It's dark out, so it's kind of hard to tell, but it adds. Not a lot, but I don't know, I dig it. It goes good with the mud flap.